Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Here on the back, this particular boat is powered by twin Mercury 300 white Verados. You'll see the swim platform step off of your port side transom. It does have the gray sea deck on the back. And this hull color is going to be the new quantum blue with a new stone interior. Here in the back, you got adjustable flip up on both sides, stereo remote, and a 12-volt plug-in. Coming through, got a cooler here in the back, battery selector switches, freshwater sprayer, and charging port. As we come in, you'll see here on the starboard you've got a sink, another cooler, and more access there. It's going to have plenty of storage for a removable cooler that will go inside here. Trash can. Your engine hatch lift is located right here. You'll see this one has the U-shaped seating in the back, and a table will go in here so everybody can sit around the table. This does have the sure shade option that will extend out to the engines. LED lighting up in the hardtop. This all lights up blue as well. You're going to have the upgraded stereo system with the sub located here. Dual seats will flip up on both sides. This is a joystick boat with skyhook, VHF radio, digital controls. You'll see this does have the twin Simrad screens here at the helm. Flush mounted Steric Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. All of these are the new push button switches. Over here on your port, you have an upgraded head area. Lockable glove box with charging port inside. This does have the stainless steel cap around the windshield frames. This boat is yacht certified, and you do have a bow block off door. This is where your breakers are and your water level. As we move to the bow, you've got a pump out head on your port. Your water fill is on your starboard. Large seating forward with flip-up armrest, in-floor storage. Up in the bow, you've got a freshwater sprayer. And you also have a windlass anchor with control up front. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.